Hello everybody, welcome to another edition of Box Busters. I'm Justin Gruner with
Dave Slipka.
And this is Inception. 2015 Topps Inception Football, 7 cards, 3 hits, 4 base or parallel cards. And I think it's about 100 cards for the base set, and then there's a bunch of rookie autographs, all on card. So, should be a quick break.
We'll do one at a time, just make sure everybody sees every card.
This is how they look. Oh, I got a girthy pack. It looks like you did too.
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna get some thickness to your packs, so don't be too full. So
it could be where all the base cards are even thick.
Yeah, I think it looks like they are.
Yeah. We'll do yours first and see how we do.
Nope, I already got Aaron Rodgers on the back here, so I'm gonna show that first. That's what the base cards look like. Aaron Rodgers there. And I got an Arian Foster base, and I have 2 green parallels numbered to 150 of Eli and T.Y. Hilton. I got a Jamison Crowder patch card numbered to 50. This is the red parallel.
Nice looking.
Yeah, I like that patch. That's a good looking patch.
Nice.
I got a Cameron Artis Payne numbered to 150 on card auto, and a Brashard Perryman numbered 99 on card auto. So we got like a purple, and they got the magenta or the pink parallel. So a whole lot of color on this one for me. I like it.
So that's what we're expecting, 3 hits.
Yes,
so
3
it's
hits.
2 autos and 1 mem, or vice versa?
It's 1 mem and then 2 autos.
Okay.
And one of those autos can be a patch auto or a mem auto.
Okay.
So I just got the regular autos this
We've got
time.
something good happening, but let's see what we got.
Ooh.
We're starting with a green. Keenan Allen. 150. Calvin Johnson. 150. Mike Davis. Auto, what do we got there? Also 150?
Yeah, it looks like 150.
Purple, 150. And I only have 1 more card left, Justin.
Well, I think it's a big one though.
It looks like it might be a big one.
Yeah, it is.
And here we go.
Green Bay Packers.
That's what I see, and what will it reveal?
Wow, 1 of 1.
Patch.
Oh no, that's not 1 of 1. It's a 4 out of 5.
4 out of 5.
That's the laundry tag patch booklet. Not bad, man.
Brett Hundley.
I like that hit.
Will he ever see the field?
Maybe not with the Packers. He might get traded up, and then they'll trade him use him as trade bait.
Mark Brunell, Aaron Brooks.
Yeah. They breed a lot of good quarterbacks up there in Packer country.
You can't second guess their quarterback.
No. And that's a huge hit. I like that one, man.
But that's
personally, I wish I could take
note.
that home.
So that means instead of 7 cards, there's our 4.
Well, I don't think you can play the tops if you get 4 cards with that kind of booklet, man.
And 2 autos.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And everything is on card in this product. That's what I like the best about it, man. I love
absolutely
no stickers. So, overall, I mean, especially with the hit that we got. Oh, thank you. With the hit that we got, I think that we definitely came out on top here. This is a win. Even this patch, I love this patch, man. It's from the Redskins. That's pretty cool.
And it's not overly glossy, so if people want to autograph these, it will take real well, as you can obviously see by the on cards. So yeah, good looking.
I like it. Overall, thumbs up. Until next time, I'm Justin.
I'm Dave.
Have a good one.